Okay, so here's my 2018 Chevy Colorado. I put a 6-inch rough country lift kit on it. I'm using the factory struts up front. The kit did come with some longer shocks in the rear and lift blocks in the rear. So that's just temporary. I'll put some springs in there later, but for right now it'll do. A lot of people told me, you know, don't do that. Oh, you're gonna mess up your truck and all that stuff. And got to see for myself, right? So I found the rough country kit went on pretty easily. There's a lot of little parts. There's a few little things that could have been done differently on the instructions, but I'm not. And there were some other issues with my particular truck because I wanted to go with 35s, okay? So there's issues with the tires actually fitting in the fenders, in the fender wells, and the wind's gonna start blowing now. And but it's not too big of an issue. I had more issues with my Tacoma. There's an issue with the wheels because you're limited on wheel sizes. They recommend an 18-inch wheel and larger to clear the spindles or the knuckles, the steering knuckles. So I'll show you that, and I'll show you the rough country cross member brackets that drop everything down, and I'll show you the steering knuckle and how the wheel fits on there. They also recommend a 5-inch back spacing. Well, I found these wheels and they're 5 1/4 inch. I figure, what's a 1/4 inch gonna, you know, is it gonna make a difference? Is there gonna be a difference? So I told the guy at 4 Parts where I got them from, you know, this is what I'm doing. He says, well, see if the wheel is gonna work for you. Just don't put the tires on, and if they don't work, you can bring them back. So everything worked out good. So I'm just going to share some quick details. There's a whole lot more to this video, but this is what I got so far. I'm trying to keep it just short and to the point. So, like I said, it's already Thursday, and I want to put something out there, so I'll do that right now. Okay, so everybody's asking, what kind of lift kit is that? Well, it's a 6-inch lift kit. How do you like that? Yeah, so a lot of you guys want to know what kind of lift kit this is. It's a rough country lift kit. It's like $1,000, you know, you can't beat it. This is a new truck. It's a 2018. It's got, everything's brand new on it, so all I needed was the lift kit components. I didn't need new struts or shocks. Just the basic bracketry to lower the front IFS suspension, to lower the differential and lower control arms. In the rear, it just has lift blocks. Those will do for now. I'd like to get some better springs. I'm looking at Atlas spring right now. They got some Expedition springs, or they got some variable rate springs for the rear leaf springs. We're talking $600 to $800, you know, so it's all a lot of money. So remember that. Push the like button and share. That kind of thing kind of helps. This stuff ain't cheap. I got to what, $3,500 tied up in this truck now. Had a little issue yesterday. Set me back a little, but now the reason why you gotta have a special rim with special offset and all that kind of stuff for these lift kits is because the spindles are so big. See, this is the factory spindle. Looks much beefier than the Toyota spindle that was on my Tacoma. It's aluminum. Compare this with the lift spindle that came in this kit. Now I've already got the hub attached because I wanted to try the fit. I wanted to try the fit with the wheels I've got because my wheels aren't quite to spec. They're not the 5-inch offset that's spec'd out for this lift kit. Looks like it's going to work. Since these wheels are 5 1/4 offset and not the or back spacing and not the 5-inch, you know, me and the guy over at Floral Parts figured, hey, 1/4 inch, I should be able to work with a 1/4 inch difference. So he said, if not, bring them back, you know. Try one. So this is the one here. Seems to clear. Now yesterday I did this and I forgot one thing. Yeah, I forgot one thing. I forgot that the brake rotor goes between the hub and the wheel. So I fitted up without the brake rotor and it definitely will not fit with the brake rotor gone. You know, it's that much of a gap or whatever it is. I'm like, holy cow, this isn't going to work. So I quit for about an hour, did a little research, and I came back here and took another look at it, and I go, hey, I forgot to put the rotor on. Let's try it with the rotor on. There you have it. So here's how the wheel and spindle mount up. I got the disc brake on there. I think I figured it out. It's moving free now. I didn't have it sitting right in there correctly. It's going to be a tight fit though. I'll roll down the street.